Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add table widget to Salesforce Analytics Studio dashboard. So what we're going to do is log into developer edition of Einstein Analytics, then click on app launcher. Okay, after that click on Analytics Studio button. Okay, that will open Analytics Studio in new tab where I have already opened one dashboard. Now here I'm going to drop in this table. Okay, once dropped, what it needs is a query. Simply click on center of that icon, which should open a new pop-up which basically allows you to write one query. So here, let's say if I add in table query, okay, that will be the name of our query. Now here we want to set bar length for, let's say, count users, or simply keep it as count of rows. That would work as well. Here are a lot of fields that you can choose from. Okay, so you can choose for unique field as well. So unique account type, okay, let's go with that. And then I can remove this count of rows, so click on delete. So here one of the row is unique account type. Now in bar I wish to check out unique accounts where it has opportunity type. Okay, so here you see your business has existing business, new, or add-on. Okay, based on account type it has managed to filter it out. Okay, and you can click on done and it will form this table here. Okay, and you can adjust the size as well. Okay, now what you can do is save this and view this dashboard tab as well. Okay, here you see in dashboard preview mode you can see your table with these two columns. So you get the idea how to add table widget into your Analytics Studio dashboard.